Hey everyone, today we are going to plant this beautiful magnolia tulip. This is a black tulip. I've been eyeing it for 3 years and I decided to take the plunge and bought it. I think this will be a beautiful centerpiece to the Zen garden area. As you remember, this is where I plant the multi-trunk hydrangea and it root rotted, so we amended the soil a little bit. So basically this is the black tulip magnolia. It's going to get 16 to 20 feet tall, 6 to 8 feet wide. So it's going to be a really big specimen once it gets to be its full maturity. And that's what I wanted to do in this full garden. So it's going to be the centerpiece and the focal point of the entire area. We're going to go ahead and place it in here. I actually put the pot here a couple of days, just been seeing if this is the perfect spot where I want it to be. And I think this will be the best place for it. Let's get started. All right, you guys, so right now we are going to move the Rose of Sharon that I put in place before I got the black tulip magnolia. So we're going to move this, put it in a pot, and then we'll put the centerpiece in. I'll fix it later. Ooh, look at that root ball, everybody. Almost looks like it's root bound in there. It's going to need to go higher up. Okay. I think that's good. Now I just need it to be turned. So this back side here doesn't have a branch, so I think I'm going to point it toward that way since we'll be sitting from the porch. We want to make sure the structure has the blooms in the front. I think that's good right there. Okay, we're going to backfill now. And I think that'll be all right, you guys. We finally got it in. Everything is situated. You can see it's mounted up just a little bit to help prevent with the root rot. You can see here this plant is ready to bust at the seam. Look at this beautiful flower that's going to bloom out. It's ready to shed its outer shell. It's fuzzy right here. And then it's going to turn this vibrant purple color. I can't wait to show you guys once it blooms. This one over here is about ready to bust at the seam right there. Look at that beautiful color. So I can only imagine what it's going to look like and see how big it actually is going to get. But there we go. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.